Cencer is not the name of the disease Urdu. Maqsood Hasni translated from Urdu to English. Prof. Niamat Ali Murtazaee Free Abuzar Barqi Kutabkhana February 2019. Cancer is not the name of the disease, nor does it have any specific germ. Man falls ill because of some seasonal conditions or the shortage of food. The defensive forces of the body that ever remain at war with the disease germs and try to kill them in every way. In this condition, the enemy is either killed or runs away. The disease-spreading germs search for the weak organ, and if they find it, they make it their hunt. Here the defensive force has to face failure. The weak part is a blessing for the disease-producing germs. Here they find a chance of development. Through medicines, try is made to kill these germs. With suitable and required medicines, they are also killed or they feel some pressure. Their weakness shows that the patient is recovering and the use of medicines is stopped. After some time, these semi-dead germs recover and they restore their energy. In this case of their death, the weak organ may become weaker. This weaker organ may become a safe place for the disease-spreading germs, and this procedure goes on. And a stage comes when the organ or the defensive forces cannot compete or defeat them. In this ways, the organ is at the mercy of conditions. In the absence of proper diagnosis and treatment, the organ itself adopts the form of disease. The germs of other diseases also resort to it. In other words, it becomes a colony of diseases. The germ of the former disease becomes so strong that they use the germs of other diseases and improve their strength. In this way, all the germs make the RBCS or WBCS their food. So the defensive forces become weak. Man's health depends on these two types of cells, and their shortage or weakness means the weakness of the whole body. In the coming time, the body moves towards death. The united front of diseases becomes very strong and becomes a part of blood, and nothing can check them from doing so. The path of its plunder can be stopped. Fresh blood is required to keep the patient alive. This process is not of only one time but of frequent times. In other words, after small intervals, blood is supplied again and again. After some time, unsuccessful efforts to keep the patient alive are made. The patient passes away after spending a life of helplessness. To attach cancer with some special germ is the basic mistake that leads to a mistaken treatment. Treatment will be better and correct only when the germ of the basic/original disease is treated out. It can lead us to success. Besides, it all would be wrong and meaningless. For treatment, the power of this germ will have to be reduced. With it, not only the blood will be saved, but the protective elements will also be strengthened. And in this way, life will be restored to its routine. For example, influenza, bad cold, etc. The root of violet works wonders. In other words, it is must to search out which of the diseases has adopted the form of cancer. Symptoms also led us to trace out the basic/original disease. Here are some suggestions. The process of change, e.g., change in dress, routine, place, etc., should continue. The favorite color must be made prominent. Water may be prepared with the favorite color. Good news should be transferred to the patient as soon as possible. Sad news should be checked every month. Urine, blood, etc. must be get checked regularly. The patient should urinate in the alum mixed water. Sunbath must be done according to need. The pitcher water should be used. The use of rainwater or that of hail remains instead of toothpaste. Miswak should be used with favorite fruit. The use of other fruits remain in a week. Honey and kalwanji can also be used with in various ways among worm. The worms that eat dead body, mulberry, apple, etc., can also be researched upon. The nail of vulture, the use of fresh things, roots of trees, vegetables and fruits.